Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a presentation using a free AI tool. Just here you can type AI presentation generator free, and here you will get different websites. Just you can go on slidesgo.com. Here you can see this one, so that's very easy to use. Just you can click on get started, and after that here you can select and add some content. For example, here I have some random text. Just I can copy it, and after that I can add the text here. Then scroll down. Here you can select slides, and also you can select the informative. So the first section will get 8 to 12 slides, so I think that's best. Then scroll down and click here get started. After that here you need to create a free account. Just you can go and click on continue with Google, and now here you can add email, then again click on continue button. After that scroll down, and here you can see it's working, and it will take some time. So let me, so guys, here you can see it has generated all of the content for 11 slides. Then again click on continue button. Now here you can select the design, so you can select any of the template. Here you can see these are the professional templates. For example, I want to select this one. Just click here, then click on generate and download presentation. So it is generating presentation, and it can save a lot of time for you. So guys, here you can see within few clicks it's working and very easy to use. After that you will get a PowerPoint file. So make sure that you have downloaded MS Office in your laptop. So guys, now finally click on download now button, and you will get this file downloaded into your laptop. Click here. So guys, here you can see this looks amazing. You can scroll down, and here you can see the other slides how it looks. So that's great. Thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube.